Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to find the first name and the last name from an email address. So first, what do you need? You need your list of emails, of course, and you need Derrick. What is Derrick? It's an app, actually an extension of Google Sheets that helps you to create database, to clean database, etc. etc. So you download Derrick here and you go back to your Google Sheets. You open extensions, you open Derrick, and you go on this little tool and you go first name, last name from email. And you just have to select the email column. It will be the same title as your column. And you go parse. Yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, the scrap is done. So as you can see, we have here, so the column of first name, the column of last name, the domain, and if it was found or not. When there is only a first name in the email address, of course, Derrick puts only the first name and didn't find the last name. So here we have only the first name. Here we don't know the first name, so it didn't put anything. And for example, here in the email address, we have a first name and the last name. So Derrick found first name and last name here. And that's how it works. It's really easy, as you can see. If you have any question, you can comment the video. And if you liked it, you can put a thumbs up. And see you in the next video. Bye!